What's up, y'all? If you guys didn't watch my first episode, we made the patty melts from Whataburger. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. But we going back to Whataburger, baby. We making the honey barbecue chicken strip sandwich. You don't like meat? You don't like ground beef? Well, I got y'all. We're gonna be doing some chicken. So stay tuned. Got some Texas toast and a whole lot of silly dilly. Stay tuned. I don't know about y'all, but I found me a great recipe for some fried chicken. So we're gonna do some buttermilk in this. Got some tenderloins in there for nice chicken strips. We're gonna put in some of that buttermilk, some nice Tabasco for the heat, seasoned salt, some garlic salt, and some pepper. Just gonna grab me some, whatever this is, y'all. Just gonna mix that in there. Not using my hand today, y'all. Why? Because I don't feel like getting it all nasty. All right, y'all, so now that this is nice and incorporated, we're gonna let this marinate. You can let it marinate overnight to have better results, but we don't got time, y'all. We gotta get some chicken strip sandwiches going. Stay tuned. How? I don't know. You figure it out. All right, y'all, so we got our buttermilk nice and marinated. We got some seasoned flour. Literally get you some flour, put some salt, pepper, seasoned salt, whatever y'all want, garlic salt. You use some eggs. Put that in here. And then, famous. Shake off the excess. Panko. Once you get that, I'll show y'all a couple. Look at that, that's it. That's all she wrote, y'all. That's all she wrote. I'll do a couple more. And we're gonna cut to the end, y'all, where we got all of them done. All of them. Not all of them, all of them. Leave out some vowels, y'all. That's how it's done. Panko is what's gonna bring the crunch to the chicken strip, baby. So, editing starts now. And we're done. All right, y'all. So we got our chicken fingers nice and battered up. So now what you're gonna do is hot oil. You're just gonna put it in. I'm just kidding. Ha, got him. All right, so now that we magically edited our chicken and it's nice and done, what you're gonna wanna do, get your oil of choice, get it nice and hot, and put your strips in, baby. Just let it go in. We got a nice cast iron skillet. We could probably fit about seven strips in here. I'm gonna do one more little piece on the side. Get your tongs, move it around because there's room. Just gotta find it, y'all. So what this is gonna do now, this is gonna brown up and then we're gonna flip it. Probably about 2 minutes, 3 minutes aside. Make sure it's nice and cooked, baby. And we're gonna build our sandwich. All right, y'all, so chicken's almost done. Gotta get our cheese, Monterey Jack. That's what's in a traditional barbecue chicken sandwich from Whataburger. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this up and we're gonna build our sandwich, y'all. Stay tuned. Time to eat. All right, so now that we're gonna build the sandwich, we got the Monterey Jack, got our Texas toast, y'all. We're gonna butter it up, get it nice and toasty, put our honey barbecue sauce on there, and tell me what y'all think. Let's get it. Y'all, if you didn't watch this episode till now, you would have thought I just went my happy ass to Whataburger and bought me a chicken strip sandwich. Guess what, y'all? Silly Dilly didn't. Whew. I don't know, but it looks just like the sandwich from Whataburger. If you haven't been to Whataburger, I'm so sorry. But you gotta go to Silly Dilly's house and get one of these sandwiches, y'all. Cut that open. Look at that cross section, y'all. Nice white meat chicken. Cheers, y'all. All y'all missing is to be over here. Monterey Jack is a perfect cheese, nice and creamy. Chicken, nice and cooked. Barbecue sauce, nice and sweet. And Silly Dilly, be silly, y'all. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the next one. We're gonna keep on going, y'all. Fancy Friday, all right? Fancy fast food, whatever it is, y'all. Make sure you guys put that in a hashtag, also CW Silly Dilly. I would love to see you guys make this, so go ahead and send it to me. Also, let me know what you want to see next. Stay tuned.